Once logged in to myhealthrecord.com, choose My Profile, then My Insurance. You may compare the insurance information our office has on file for your child, such as policyholder name, insurance company name, policy number, and group number. Please verify for accuracy. If the information is not accurate or needs to be updated, please select the Edit button. From the drop-down menu, you can select the level of coverage, such as primary or secondary. Next, add the plan details, such as policyholder name, insurance company name, policy number, group number, and a start and end date if there is one. Then click Submit. Once submitted successfully, a message will appear stating the information has been received by our office. A copy of the information will automatically be sent to the Sent folder of My Messages.